DIY. For this episode, we will be doing Rip and Dip DIY Frisbee. So this is how it actually looks like, and I just decided to add the flames because I thought it would look way better. On the packaging it has flames, so I was like, why don't they just add a flame? So yeah, let's just get started! Woo! For this DIY, you will need a Frisbee. I got this one for free at the Hollywood Pride Parade. A pencil and eraser for sketching out the design. Paint brushes. Paint blue, white, black, pink, orange, light brown. Masking tape. And a kitten. Just kidding. This is Joji, by the way. Follow her on Instagram. First, we'll need to get rid of any logos the Frisbee already has. I'm using rubbing alcohol and a cotton pad. Next step is painting. We'll be using blue all over as a base color with a medium-sized brush. This took me about 3 to 5 thin layers to cover it all up. I then proceeded to sketch out the Rip and Dip design onto my Frisbee. Rip and Dip recently came out with their app, and I use a picture from there as a reference. Check out the link down below to download the app yourself. It's free, guys, and it's really lit. Like, honestly, check out the app. Ooh, highly recommend. I started with Lord Nerm himself. I suggest using thin layers when painting because I use thick layers to speed the painting process, but it came out like a bit clumpy. It's alright though because I still like how mine came out. I then painted all of the pink parts. I then went ahead and outlined the eyes because it looked a bit weird without the outline and I didn't want to spook you guys. Next, I painted the cone of the ice cream and then began outlining the entire logo. I always love this part because it's when the entire painting ties together. And it looks lit, you know, because like, you could start seeing it and it's just like, ooh, okay. Then I went and added the final details of the white outlines all around. After this step, I decided I wanted flames around the perimeter of the Frisbee. I copied the same flame pattern that's on the packaging of the ice cream surfer flying disc on the Rip and Dip app. Then to make the orange pop later on, I painted the flames white. Now it's flame time! Hashtag Slipknot, hashtag not fest, hashtag I didn't go but my sister went. The last step of this DIY is to outline the flames in black. And now you're done. Hashtag your very own Rip and Dip Frisbee! I wanted one of these when they came out, but to be honest, I didn't want to pay like $20 for it. So I was like, why not hashtag DIY it? I hope you guys like it. And if you guys ever do a Rip and Dip DIY of your own, make sure to tag me so I can see your creations and versions of it. Woo! So guys, I hope you enjoyed that DIY. I really liked how it came out. Like, isn't it just so lit? Ooh! This is one of my favorite videos I've ever done. I make new videos every Tuesday, Friday, and sometimes Sunday. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment down below. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye. I'll be like, hashtag baby Eileen. I'll be like, bye. Okay, bye.